What is up, guys? I just wanted to say I'm an alien dog voice. Like and subscribe if you want my alien dog. Please, I beg you. I sound ridiculous at that. But do what I said, okay? If you don't subscribe or like, the franchise won't keep going. So you better subscribe. I'll find you and make you subscribe. Please, just subscribe if you want my alien dog.